Hello guys, welcome to YouTube. Today we are going to solve this math. 3 times 3 minus 3 divided by 3 plus 3. Okay, we go to the solution. First thing first, what you have to know first is to calculate multiplications and division right here. Okay, this is the first step that we're going to take. So 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Then minus 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1, right? And then plus 3. When it comes to subtraction and addition, that's something that you also have to know. First, you start from left to right, okay? So this is what we're going to do. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, okay? 8. And then plus 3, just like that. Okay, 8 plus 3 is equal to what? Is equal to 11, and that is the final answer. Okay, so please keep on practicing this way. So what I would like you to remember is that whenever something come like this one, a question come like this one, where there is multiplication, there's addition, there is division, and there's subtraction, first calculate multiplication part first, and then calculate division, and then after that you go to the subtraction and the addition, like this one. Okay, 3 times 3 minus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 3 times 3 is equal to 9 minus 3 divided by 3, it will be 1, is equal to 1, and then you have to bring this plus sign here, plus 3. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Okay, 8, you see this one, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So the final answer is 11 right here. Okay, so just keep in mind, keep on practicing. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.